Then over here is where they're cooking it. Okay. So he's roasting it. This is the North Thailand food. Hey, that's how you eat the khao lam. You peel the bamboo down, and you have to stick the rice and beans.
Oh, so there's rice and beans in
right,
that?
Yeah,
They stuff it with rice and beans and then they cook it?
Right.
Oh, I see.
Take too long. This is a 5-hour video now.
Well, just think of me like a deck.
Yeah.
Like a child, huh? Okay.
Continue.
One more.
Eat, bye.
More?
She's really doesn't want to tell you to do anymore because, you know, she says finished. Yeah.
It's finished?
Okay.
Is it okay? Okay.
Okay, finished. What a great place to have breakfast, huh? Betel nut, which they chew, it's pronounced B-E-T-A-L, and they're showing what it is. They take the nut and wrap it up in a leaf with some calcium, which is the white stuff, and tobacco, and then they stick it in their mouth. And that's what gives them the black teeth.
มันโดนน้ำปุ๊บมันจะละลาย
เอาพอเข้าปากแล้วนะมันโดนน้ำลายอะไรนะมันก็ออกอ๋อมันก็ละลายโอ้
มันเป็นยาง
เฉยๆ
ยางไม้ยาง
ไม่ใช่หินหรืออะไรเนาะ
All right, you want to try some?
ขอให้ด้วย
You want to try some?
No, thanks.
How about you? You want? Local haircut. Oh, gang mak. Law. They drive their corn, and this corn is for the pigs. And they're shelling the corn. And even the kids are into it, the whole family. This is Sunday, so the school's closed. If you come on a weekday, you can visit the school. This is another one of our friends, guide, that's in a Korean village close to Taton. He just brought us a bunch of lychee. And this is his village, and this is his family over there. And we're going to take a walk to an Aka Hill tribe village, okay? Here we are in the Aka village, and these are traditional Aka homes. And most of the people are working in the fields or kids are at school. But we have some people here, as you can see, and very nice. Do pan here. Okay. Lovely Hill Resort. That's what the sign says. You're in the middle of all this nice tea plantation here in the mountains. Alright. You can see the beautifully manicured tea plants in the back there. Get a little closer so you can see it. There we go. Okay, you can see the teas in the dryer. And that dryer is 300 degrees Celsius. Then they put the leaves into these spinning deals here, and what that does, it breaks down the structure of the leaves. If it doesn't break down the cell structure, what happens is when you pour water on your tea, it won't happen. You won't get any flavor out of the tea. So this is an important part here. Okay, here it comes. Okay, it's finished. As you can see, it's coming out the bottom there. And you can see how it's kind of rolled up. Spread them out. You see the tea plants on a mountain ridge behind you. They set it out and they separate it. Separate the good ones from the bad ones. Get all the stems, big stems out. It's very dry. What they do is they take these stems out.
They're useful.
Take this out. All the different teas.
Still rolling?
Yeah.
This is the tea we saw made this morning.
Yeah.
Assam.
Assam tea, right.
That's probably what that says, but I wouldn't swear to it.
All right, good.